subscribe and ring the bell.
In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to upload a font from your iPhone or iPad and use it in Cricut Design Space. The first thing that you want to do is download the iFont app from the App Store. Once you do that, you can open your search engine and find the font that you want to download. I'm going to just go to dafont.com and find one. Let's do Fonyo. And you want to click on download. Then it's going to ask if you want to download the zip. Click on download again. Now go ahead and close the program and go to your iFont app. Now you want to go to import, and then you want to click on the Fonyo and click on import. And here we go. Now we can click on install. Then you want to say allow. Then it's going to say you need to go to your settings app if you want to install it. So click close and cancel. And now you close this and go to your settings. On the very top it says profile downloaded. Then here's your font and go ahead and click install. Enter your passcode, click install once more, and done. Now you can close this, and now you can open your Cricut Design Space. Go to a new project, go down here to text, systems, and type in Fonyo. And there it is. So now you have this new font that you can use in Cricut Design Space from your iPhone or iPad. I hope this helps in expanding your ability to craft from your phone or your iPad.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.